अस्सलामु अलैकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। प्यारे बच्चों, अक्सर इम्तिहान में ये क्वेश्चन आता है, राइट अ फ्यू पैराग्राफ अबाउट योर विजिट टू अ जू। यू मे यूज़ द पॉइंट गिवन बिलो। यहाँ पॉइंट्स दिए हुए हमारे पास, देखिए यहाँ पे। तो पॉइंट इस तरह से बच्चों, नेम एंड लोकेशन, एनिमल्स, बर्ड, डिफरेंट शेप्स एंड डिफरेंट साइज, ब्लॉक्स, केजेस एंड योर इम्प्रेशंस। तो चलिए बच्चों, लिखना शुरू करते हैं। The other day we visited the Rani Bagh Zoo near the Boon Gardens. We bought entry tickets at the gate and went in. The zoo is a wonderful world of different animals and birds. Different categories of animals and birds have been kept under different conditions. The zoo is divided into different blocks. We saw animals and birds of different colors, shape and size. First of all, we were greeted by the monkeys. There were monkeys with long tail, monkeys with short tails, and monkeys with no tails at all. Some monkeys had black face and they looked fearful. There were big and small monkeys. The people were offering them bananas and popcorns. In the next block, there were colorful birds like sparrows, parrot, peacock, ostrich, minnows, and the like. Some ducks and swans were swimming in a big pond. Next, we saw lion, tiger, elephant, zebras, hippopotamus, giraffe, deer, panthers, bear, and fox. There were some reptiles. There were cobras, vipers, pythons, and various other snakes. The crocodile in another section. We were in the zoo till the evening. Our visit to the zoo was a thrilling experience.